Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install FC Mobile on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. So the first step is to launch the App Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in FC Mobile. Once you see it listed in the search results, you want to tap on it. And then, if it's your first time installing FC Mobile using your Apple account, you should see a Get button. So tap on Get and confirm the installation using either your Face ID, if you have it enabled, or your Apple account password. However, if this is your second time installing FC Mobile using your current Apple account, then you should see this install icon. So just tap on it and then wait for it to be added onto your phone. Then from here, once it's been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. EA Sports. And now you can start playing FC Mobile on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.